It did go through. It should be coming up to Howland right now. Central, it's a rollover. Let's get rescue code 3.
They're already around. We have them coming to 415 and 47.
Which way they went?
I'll find out in a second. Did anyone see which way the other guys ran?
Across everybody. He was driving in the wrong side of the road. He passed.
Okay. Do you know where they ran?
You're good, okay?
They ran that way?
Towards me.
Can you copy another one?
Go ahead.
47 Alpha Foxtrot Echo Tango. Hey, Boris.
7 Alpha, the rest is covered with wind.
Foxtrot Echo Tango. Secure that in your car.
I'm out here at Sanford with Sanford PD. They are confirming that they have armed carjacking charges.
See if you can approach it, see what you can see.
I just see that side window. I can't see anything going in it.
Alright. Well, what'd they say?
They said we're going to go back there.
You just hold up top, alright?
Yep, I got you.
Alright, just hold that up there. I'd rather fall than get shot.
Alright, I got it.
911, where's your emergency? Right across from the Super Walmart on 415. About 3:30 we heard some helicopters and fire trucks. And now just 10 minutes ago or less, 2 barely clothed black boys, barefoot, running through our yard. I made sure they had no guns, but these guys don't have any shoes on, they didn't have their shirts on. I told them to stop running, put their shirts on, and get up to the highway and call the police.
He's running! He's running! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! The other one's running! Grab him! He's running to the Walmart, red shorts, no shirt. Get on the ground right now! Get on the f***ing ground, put your face on the pavement. Right now! Go to the Walmart, go to the Walmart.
Stand by, K9's coming out with them in front of the Walmart, by the liquor store.
I ain't do shit.
Do it now! Good! We're good! We're good!
You good? I ain't do nothing, man.
Shush. You didn't do nothing.
What did I do?
Got cuffs.
Yeah.
Throw them in your car. I'm going to go with K9.
What did I do?
K9-6. We got one in custody in front of the Walmart, and the other one's on 415. Get off my leg.
Toss him real quick.
Have a seat. You want to go with them?